बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लिम व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is male 50-year-old patient complaint of pain in the abdomen. Honorable physician referred this patient for confirmation of appendicitis. Here I have placed the probe in the right hypochondrium and now moving downward and downward. Here we can see that these are the bowel loops which are hyperperistaltic and showing mild wall thickening. And now this is the fatty tissue which is more echogenic. This one which is more echogenic than usual. So this is the momentum which has come to the right iliac-fossa region, and here we can appreciate that this is the appendix. Although this appendix is of normal size, but the length of appendix is much more increased. This is going, and this is the blind end, and that is surrounded by the echogenic inflamed fatty tissue, that is omentum. Also the ileum is hyperperistaltic and mildly thick wall. Here we can appreciate that this patient is having ascites. Ascitic fluid is present, and the appendix seems to be intact. No perforation of the appendix is noted, and if we measured the diameter of the appendix, this is 7 millimeter. So the patient is having appendicitis, and what is the cause of ascitic fluid? I will go to see the other organ. To locate that this is the appendix, you can appreciate present at the McBurney point. Here you can appreciate this is the appendix in the screen. Now I am scanning the liver. Here we can appreciate that liver is coarse. So the cause of ascites was the cirrhotic liver. Liver is coarse, and gallbladder is also thick wall. Coarse liver with irregular margin along with thick walled gallbladder. And here, if you closely observe, this is the portal vein which is filled and distended with the echogenic thrombus. So portal vein thrombosis is also present. Here we can see that this is the portal vein, and when it enters into the liver, it is thrombosed. And if we put the color, you can appreciate the multiple collateral formation around the portal vein. This means the cavernous transformation of portal vein has been occurred. So it means that this is the chronic portal vein thrombosis which resulted into the cavernous transformation. So the patient is cirrhotic. Patient is having cirrhotic liver with portal vein thrombosis along with the cavernous transformation, thick walled gallbladder, ascites. मेरे तो पासा करो सर. And if we see the spleen, this is also obviously enlarged. By look, it is enlarged, and I measure it. It is 149 millimeter. So spleen is also enlarged. So two, three pathologies are there. Cirrhotic liver complicating the portal vein thrombosis and cavernous transformation, ascites and splenomegaly, thick walled gallbladder, and other pathology. Patient is having acute appendicitis. So I will refer this patient and I would like to suggest this patient should go for the CT scan abdomen and pelvis with IV contrast to see the extent of the thrombosis of the portal vein, whether it is involving the superior mesenteric vein or not, or is tributaries. And also we will go for the ischemic insult. We will go to look for the ischemic insult to the bowel loops. This is the left portal vein which is intact, main portal vein is thrombosed, and right branch of the portal vein is also thrombosed. So concluding the findings, this is the case of cirrhotic liver with portal vein thrombosis and its cavernous transformation, along with the patient is having acute appendicitis. Thank you very much.